Good morning, guys. It is the Friday before spring break. We have made it to spring break, and usually at school, if we were there, this would be a very exciting time for all students. Every student is always excited the day before spring break because they know they have a week to have fun and to take a break from their learning. However, this year it's a little different. This year, we've been at home, we've been digitally learning, and honestly, we're ready to get back into the classroom. That's not going to happen for us this year, and I'll read something later about how I feel, and I know you probably feel the same way. So even though it's not as exciting spring break as it normally would be, I want you to know that I love you and that we're going to make this the best we can. I want you to spend time with your family, to do something you haven't done before, to bake, to smile, to laugh, to just be present with your family. I know that's hard. Um, a couple of announcements for you. Please remember that your owed work is due today. The document is updated for who's completed their work. I updated that about 8 o'clock. So if you've been working this morning, it's not updated yet, but I did update it last night about 8 o'clock, and I'll update it tonight about 8 o'clock. And after that, that'll determine who goes into the drawing for the gift card. You also get a treat if your name is highlighted. So if you go to the document, if your name is highlighted purple, that means you have earned it and your name will go in. Another note, we have a classmate who is at the hospital right now getting his appendix removed. So we want to send well wishes and love to Dylan as he's going to have surgery today. Dylan, we love you. We're praying for you and we hope you get better soon. So y'all send him some well wishes if you can. Write him a letter and I can send that to mom and Dylan. But guys, it's definitely been a hard week for me, as I know it has been for most of you. I'm going to read this to you. Wednesday afternoon, my heart broke, as I'm sure most of yours did as well. Learning the news that our school year was cut short and that our classroom family will not be together again broke me. While I've shed tears over this fact, I know it is for the best. I want to hug each of my babies as they walk in the door, repeat the morning routine, call out Dreambox times, laugh at Mr. Granger's dance moves, hear positive news during powwow, see them smile as we dance it out, see them light up as they master multiplication facts, watch their happy faces when they're talking to friends, and every other endless act that goes on during the school day. This year has been the best yet, and each of you holds a spot close to my heart. I'm proud of how much you've grown over the year, and I know you will accomplish amazing things. I believe this will make each of us stronger. Digital learning will continue as planned, and just know that I am here for you. Students, you can call me anytime to talk, cry, share good news, or just to say hey. Remember, I love you and I'm proud of you. I hope you'll have an amazing Friday before spring break. Once you're finished with your work, you've done it. You're on spring break. I love you guys. Bye.